Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today, here goes. Yeah, sorry about that. Today I got a Stone, I'm not gonna say the name, Hasbro exclusive 960 gear ball. Let's get started. I just got this in today, but it's really early. It's only 6 a.m. right now, so that's why I sound like shit. So I just woke up because I have an early shift today. Do have another one that's coming in, but it's delayed for some reason. And there it is. This set is actually really cool. There's the QR code. And here's this cool 960, that white and yellow. And that greenish olive color gear ball. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.